My name is Vishaka, and so where do you stay in Yelahanka?
We live in SFS 185.
Okay, and so since you're from Shrishti, I'm going to directly ask you that have you ever been sexually street harassed
Yes.
in Yelahanka?
Yes.
Do you want to share a story with us?
There have been quite a few actually. It's become like a normal thing in Yelahanka, and even though we know that we can sue them and do things, but I mean, how do you do it? Like, we know there are laws, we know all that, but even if you go show them, like, okay, it's written in the constitution. Like, just yesterday we were walking past the house in the same lane, and there were a few guys making kissing sounds and singing songs,
and this is from our neighbors. Okay, it's not even from people
And they
walking
live
on the
there.
street.
yeah,
Like
so-
2-3 houses away.
and on the other side we have a judge living with us, and he has police people and all that, but there's no point of that, all that. I mean, we know that we can go to show them the constitution and say, okay, there's a law, and you can't do that to us, and that's it's offense and you can be jailed, but they'll just be like, okay, do what you want, you can't do anything, we can't do anything to them. It's still like physically, and maybe like even in the community they have a bigger power, like they have more power than we do. So what do you do then?
Because
That's
we're not
really a
people
major
don't
question
exactly
that's been going through our minds, because all girls in Yelahanka, all of us have faced it, and a lot of boys have been bashed up because of it. But what do you do? So, like, I mean, there have been girls that have been teased and the boys stood up for them. They got bashed up by people, and then they came back with more people to bash them up. So, what do you do? That's something.
Thank you.